Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today's video is about Tupperware's wonderful sales. As you all know, I've been consulting for a while, and I promised you guys I would keep you updated with any or all of Tupperware's awesome deals. They just came out with the red, white, and blue specials. Girls and men, you want to get some of these. We got some wonderful Father's Day gift ideas out there. Don't forget about our Thatsa bowls. Buy one set, get one set free deal. I like to make up little, instead of gift baskets, bowl baskets with the deals. There's a picture coming in the video with that. If you want to purchase anything or join my team, always go to the link below. It's angie'spantry.my.tupperware.com, or leave a comment in below and I'll get back to you. Check out what's going on. That's the wonderful deals going on right now. Always check out the links below and you'll be able to get to wherever you want to find. Angie's Pantry Facebook group page. That's a great way to get a hold of me, to personally message me. Or if you go to the Tupperware link, my phone number will be up there. As always, thank you for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.